Hey, happy, what is it, Thursday, meal preppers? How you doing? My name is Paul. Amy behind the camera. And yes, I got my Dark Moon shirt on. This is from Cal's in Prince Edward Island, right? Cal's Ice Cream. Voted one of the second or the first best ice cream in there. The other one was that we liked.
Don't even remember.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't know.
It was that good.
It was good.
Guys, we got 3 amazing dishes for you. As always, we try to keep it simple. We try to keep it amazing. Guys, we don't want to sacrifice flavor when we're having to eat this stuff twice a week. So that is our goal. Over here is probably the simplest dish. We got Amy's famous bison patties here.
Yum,
she
yum.
whips it up with Dijon mustard and Worcestershire and some of her special spices, which you'll see in the
AKA
recipe.
salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. And then I did like a roasted shallot and Brussels salad. Roasted it with some smashed potatoes. Actually microwaved these in the microwave for 10 minutes first to get them nice and soft, smashed them and cooked it all together in the oven while we made the bison patties. So you can cook both of these at the same time. Then I whipped up an easy little crema sauce. It is just Greek yogurt with avocado, lemon juice, and honey. Salt and pepper.
Yep.
You just whip that up. Could be a good sauce for this. So
yep.
Either mix it in. Do you guys, do you.
Yep.
Over here, Margarita Shrimp.
And when we say margarita, we mean like not Italian margarita, like Mexican margarita.
Oh yeah, Mexican margarita. It does have a little tequila in it if you want to. No big deal. It cooks away anyway. But you marinate this shrimp. I would throw it on the grill. I got lazy today.
Got hot.
It's hot. But I put it in the pan, then I put it under the broiler for a little bit. But I swear, if you put this on the grill and char it, it'll be so much better.
Yes.
I wanted asparagus, so we just roasted some asparagus. Amy made a little slaw. Why don't you talk about that, babe?
Pineapple coconut slaw. We had some leftover red cabbage. And then instead of just buying green cabbage, which is not my favorite, and that's too much cabbage, I bought a bag of broccoli slaw. So it's shredded broccoli and carrots with a tiny, tiny bit of red cabbage in it. And then just peppers, jalapeno, pineapple, and the sauce is made of Greek yogurt, pineapple juice. What else? Salt, pepper.
Put jalapeno in the way you said that.
Yeah.
That was pretty much
there was something else in the sauce. Oh, coconut cream. That's the coconut.
That's right. Yeah,
it's got a little bit of coconut cream. It's just like a nice mild pina colada poured over vegetables. It's divine. And it made a lot, so we'll have a little extra to snack on during the week, maybe as soon as we're done making this video.
And of course, we paired it with some cilantro-lime rice. Always a fave. Always a fave. Jasmine rice with the zest of a lemon, a lime, and cilantro. So good stuff right there. Guys, we got Greek yogurt in all 3 dishes.
We do. Well, in the what we do typically is sub it in for mayo. Yeah. So this
I don't like mayo.
Coleslaw sauce called for mayo. I just put Greek yogurt instead. Tzatziki, I guess usually calls for Greek yogurt.
Tzatziki sauce is always Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
Greek yogurt, cucumbers, dill, chicken that we roasted. You could buy a rotisserie if you wanted to, just chop it up. We got red onion, tomatoes. We put everything in there. We even put some carrots in there. They didn't have any shredded carrots at the store today, so that was weird. So we just chopped up these little baby carrots. But we put it all together, and then team, you just put it in a lettuce wrap. If you want to use a pita, use a pita. Tortilla, make it tortilla. That's kind of weird.
Whatever you want.
And Mexican at the same time. You know?
Why not?
Why not? But we got it all together, so you don't have to put all the pieces. You just dump it in there and then eat it up, let it fall all over the place. Your coworkers will get jealous and be like, what do you eat, man?
Yes.
I got my Whataburger again. Whew, guys, but yeah, simple dishes today. While you're cooking one, you can cook the other and makes it easy. So let us know what you love. I hope you guys like it. And simple and amazing dishes, that's what we go for every week. And comment down below, let us know what you like. Let us know what you want. If you're looking for something you want us to make a little healthier, we can do that. All right, take care guys, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.